Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how much is to replace the iPhone battery. So, for replacing the iPhone battery, you have to have the minimum of $50. As for the third-party services, their typical range is from $30 to $80, but of course you have to have around 50 to be comfortable. While significantly cheaper than the Apple's official, you have to be mindful that these may void your warranty and potentially use non-genuine parts, which might affect your performance. As for the official, as I said, they start from the $69 for older models like iPhone 6, 7, 8, and SE second and third generation. It's $89 for the iPhone X, 11, 12, and 13 series, and $100 for the iPhone 14, 15, and 16, and 17. And yes, you can change your battery by yourself, which is from the iFixit, and this kit costs around $40 and up to $60 for newer models like, for example, iPhone 15. So this provides savings roughly $30, which is much compared to Apple's out of warranty pricing for those models. So yes, you can change your battery, but what if you have the AppleCare Plus? If your iPhone is under AppleCare Plus and the battery capacity is under 80%, Apple will replace it for free without any other costs. So yes, AppleCare Plus is really beneficial. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. Goodbye!